Hey guys, so I want to go through a little bit how to put this first quarter project together, where you're going to find some news articles about current topics of interest to physics, and that could be physics research or new findings or new discoveries. And so, again, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to find 5 articles. I want you to read through them, obviously, and then I want you to summarize those and put it in what's called a web mix. So I'm going to go through kind of how to do all that. So the first place that you guys will want to look, this is a LibGuide created by the Saint X librarians, Miss Loss, created this, and you'll notice that on the right-hand side here, there's some links. So these are approved sites. I've vetted and curated these for you. These are approved sites that you guys can go to try to find articles. Now, one of my favorite ones is Quantum Magazine, so I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to look to see what articles are there. So, oh, I love these articles. So maybe this one, a little Q&A article about, are we wrong about black holes? So you say, you know what, I really like this. I'm going to read through it. So you go ahead and you read through it. And what I want you guys to do then is to create a link to it that, either I or someone else, could access. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to use Symbaloo. So you can find this at symbaloo.com. You'll have to make an account. It's a free thing, but you have to make an account. And once you do that, it's going to send you to the home page, and I have mine. This is great for like bookmarks and web stuff and like that and stuff like that. But what you're going to do is create a new web mix. So there's a little plus sign right here. So you hit that plus sign and you can say, physics news project, maybe. You can name it whatever you want. And then you add it. Okay, and it's going to add the web mix to you. Now, as I said, you're only going to need 5 articles. So this is very large, and you can resize this if you go up to options and then click this little thing, resize web mix. It's only going to let you go. It's only going to let you resize this so far. Okay, so you don't drag it. You just kind of click on this one at a time, and then you click on this. Okay, eventually it won't let you, it won't let you shrink it anymore. So there you go. So this is your web mix, and each of these are tiles that you can put links in. So if I go to a tile, and I right-click on it, you can copy and paste the link, and it'll link directly to that tile. So that's kind of cool. So to start off with, maybe I like this article, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I Control-C, copy that, and then I'm going to paste the link right there. So add a tile, and I'm going to paste a link right there. So there's a link. Now, obviously, I want to rename this, so I'm going to right-click again. I'm going to say Edit, and you can change the color of it if you want. If you want a solid color, you can change the color. You can upload an image from the web. So if like there's a black hole, so you use like a black hole image, you can upload an image from the web. You could, and I suggest you guys do this, change the name. So you could say, Quanta article on black holes. Okay. And you can do that. Okay. So now you have this. And then when I click on this, I can open it and I can read the article for myself if I want to. Okay. Now, as I said, you also have to do a summary. I'm giving you guys options on how to complete this summary. So you can do a type summary, and you guys maybe, I'm guessing you're pretty comfortable with that. You can also do maybe a PowerPoint, a short PowerPoint presentation where you summarize it through a PowerPoint, maybe have audio over it. Or maybe you want to make a video. Maybe you want to do like a video summary where you talk into a camera. Instead of typing everything out, you talk into the camera, and you summarize the article that way. I think that'd be really cool too. So you have options here. So say that I want to make a document. What I want to do is I want to go to my Office 365 account. So make sure it's Office. You want to do this online, Office 365. Okay, you want to go to the Office 365 account, and when you do that, you can go to Word. So you're going to click on Word. Okay, and it's going to take you to this page, and you can create your article or whatever you want. So you type in your summary. So summary. make sure you look at the handout to see what the requirements are. So summary and black holes are cool. Please don't make that the summary for this article. Anyway, so you type up your document, and now you want to get a link so that when someone clicks on the link, they can go to this, they'll go to your, what you typed up here, your summary. So you can do copy link, and when you do a copy link, you want to change it so you click on the button, and you don't want to allow other people to edit it, because if you leave that on and other people click on the link, they can change your summary. We don't want that. So just make sure that you unclick the allow editing, and now they can only view it. It creates a link for you. Again, you just copy that. You can go back to Symbaloo, and then again right click, paste, and now there's a link to your summary. Okay, again, you want to right click on this and give it some other title. So summary of black hole article. Okay, so summary of black hole article, and for now we'll just save that. Again, you can put cool pictures on. And then what I would like you guys to do, instead of having all these titles all the way around, I'd like you to organize it. So we have the article here, we have the summary here. Just left click and drag this right over, and now you're going to create kind of one big grouping. Okay, so you're going to create a big grouping here, and each tile is now a group. And again, you can, and I said, unless you want gift boxes all over the place, change the name of the group. You can upload an image, for the group. So what I want is, for each group, I want to have a link to your article, and I want to have a link to your summary. So you're going to need two things in each group. So this is a Word summary. You could also, if you want to do a PowerPoint, again, use Office 365, and you do a PowerPoint presentation, a short one. And again, there's this idea of, you want to share it. Again, you want to change this so you don't want to allow editing. You want to do a copy link, and then you get a link here. Copy, go back to Symbaloo. I can just right click on that, paste it, add, and now it's going to link to my presentation. Okay, so I'm going to kind of prove it to you. So if I click on this, it's going to go back to my OneDrive, and I will go back to the summary. Okay, as I said, I just, so bear with me here. So we have YouTube. Okay, so if you create a video, you can also link to a video. Yes, I'm a geek, so don't worry about that. So say that you create a video. You don't get one off YouTube, but you create one and upload to YouTube maybe. You copy that. You can go back to Symbaloo, and you could, again, right-click, paste, and you can link to a video summary if that's the way you want to do it. If you do a video, just in the video description, make sure you put the citation to the article that you have. Okay, so that's what you have to do. You find 5 articles altogether. You create a web mix. So in the end, you'll have 5 groups, 5 buttons, and then we can click on that. We can find your article. We can find your summary, whether it's a YouTube, PowerPoint, or a Word document, and that's it. So the article, anyway. That's it. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. You have about 5 weeks left before this project is due. So if you do an article a week, you'll be set. If you wait to do 5 articles the night before it's due, then that's, I think, a poor life choice. But yeah, I would not go that way. So anyway, about from this point on, about 1 article a week, and you'll be caught up with it, and it'll be no problem getting this done. All right, have a good one.